How to make potato wedges. These crispy, golden potato wedges are incredibly delicious and easy to make. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. You'll need ground paprika, onion powder, garlic salt, table salt, ground black pepper, and 4 large russet potatoes. Start by cutting each potato in half. Then make even, diagonal cuts. Try to make them all roughly the same size.
Now, add the following: ground paprika, garlic salt, onion powder, table salt, ground black pepper, egg. Mix well. Place the potato wedges in the basket of the air fryer. Ensure you spread them around evenly. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Reduce the cooking time. Cook for 9 minutes. Cook for 8 minutes. Cook for 7 minutes. Cook for 6 minutes. Cook for 5 minutes. Cook for 4 minutes. Cook for 3 minutes. Cook for 2 minutes. Cook for 1 minute. Cook for 30 seconds. Cook for 15 seconds. Cook for 10 seconds. Good enough. These crispy, golden potato wedges are incredibly delicious. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Look how golden and crunchy they are. Yummy. Serve and enjoy.